everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2017 Cadillac XT5 in the luxury trim. With just over 116,000 miles, this Cadillac does have a minor on the Carfax with 3 previous owners. It is also equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and it is all-wheel drive. In the front, you will find this Cadillac well equipped with high-intensity headlights and LED daytime running lights and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors. Making our way around the wheel and tire setup, you'll have an 18-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like paint-match mirror caps with blind spot monitoring and passive door entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black-on-black theme here with touches of brushed aluminum. And you will also have Bose premium sound, and as you can see, that theme will continue throughout the entire interior of this Cadillac. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by the seated front seats with leather upholstery, and you will have power adjustments on both sides. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are 8/32 all the way around, the brake pads are brand new, and everything else is green checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing. Proximities on all the doors here, as you can see. Making our way around to the back seat, as you can see, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they'll also enjoy features like a flow-through center console, storage on the backing of the seats, a fold-down cup holder and armrest, and powered windows. Making our way to the rear of this Cadillac, you will notice this particular Cadillac is equipped with the powered liftgate assist, rear camera. You also have rear proximity sensors and dual exhaust. Plenty of space back here in the cargo area, guys. Some extra carpeted floor mats here. You do have all-weather floor mats installed in this Cadillac. As you can see, you have nice LED lighting back here. All those seats will fold flat. If you do need the extra cargo space, and you will also have an additional 12 volt. So let's go ahead and shut that with our key fob here. And making our way to the driver door. You will notice all your power options such as power door locks, memory seating. You'll also have power windows and power adjustable mirrors, including power folding. Then to the left of the steering wheel, you will have an electronic parking brake and brightness and dimming controllers for your interior and cluster lighting. Once inside, you'll notice this Cadillac is equipped with a push button start. Nice welcome graphics here from Cadillac. And a great sound system here. I had to test that out. Nice touch screen here just below your display. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage here. Just over 116,000 miles on this Cadillac. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free with your cruise control options. And down below you'll have options for your heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and you'll also have a forward collision warning as well. A selector for that center screen down below and up top, and you'll have some volume options as well. Bringing our attention to the main display and infotainment system. As far as other audio is concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. You will have projection, so that's going to allow Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And once I engage the rear camera, you will notice a nice crystal clear display on your backup camera with your guidance lines there. Down below, you'll have some touch sensitive controls here for your volume, mute button, and home. You will have dual automatic climate control here, as you can see, so both sides can be comfortable, complete with heated front seats. A little bit of storage here in the middle with your nice high gloss and leather wrap shifter. You also have selectable driving modes, your all-wheel drive lock, and a traction control on and off. As you can see, I'm cradling my phone right there in the middle. Nice deep storage console here with 2 USBs and an auxiliary for alternative audio. As you can see up top, this vehicle is equipped with integrated garage door openers, and you do have your controls for your dual pane panoramic sunroof. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 3.6 liter V6 gas engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multiple inspection, this Cadillac has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. Now in the last portion of this video, this is where I will go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Cadillac. Keeping in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Midnight black exterior here, a little bit of metallic in there, but as you can see, the hood is pretty rough here, not gonna lie. We like to be upfront and transparent here at All Things Automotive, so you will have cosmetic blemishes throughout the hood. Your chrome trim here on the front is in good shape, minimal peeling and damage. You will have some bubbling over here, otherwise very clean. Your headlights are nice and clear. No cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading, but here on the front bumper, you will see some wear and tear from the road. Coming around to your wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on that nice wheel. Paint match mirror caps are in okay condition, but you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes. Coming around to your door handles here, very nice and clean, no scuffs or scratches, and minimal scuffing here on the high gloss black. Paint match portion of the outer door. Looking inside, very clean, no rip stains, tears, or anything like that, and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors, no food odors. Leather seats are in great condition, no rips or tears. Looks like we have a blemish here just above the body line here on the rear passenger side door. Paint chip there. Around your door handle is in good shape. Looking into the back, no scuffs or scratches on the back of the seats, but you will have some blemishes here on the flow-through center console. And your leather is in good condition, and your headliner is clear of any rip stains or tears. Taking a look at these tail lights, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. All your trim back here is in great shape. Even on your rear bumper here, the hard plastic moldings are in good shape, no fading or discoloration. Coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings to the vehicle body, but you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes here, as you can see. Door handles are in good shape, and your panels here on the side of the door, high gloss black, are in great shape as well. Ending up at the driver door mirror cap, a little bit of wear and tear from the road. Other than that, really nice Cadillac XT5, loaded with comfort and convenience features. Give us a call at All Things Automotive, guys. 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7, and you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And guys, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this vehicle may qualify. So we hope to see you at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.